Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open it. And here we can focus on this settings icon. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter languages and types. And as you can see, here we've got only English language, so just tap on manage input languages. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all languages which are available. If you can see this, let's say arrow icon, it means that you will have to download it because they are not currently applied on the Samsung, but no worries, all you have to do is to simply tap on it and you will be able to apply this language. But let me pick something from the available ones, I mean downloaded languages, and in order to activate the language, just tap on the switcher right here. And after getting back, you can see that it has been applied here. What's more, we've got new option, a new let's say customization option. Here we can change and check language switching method, so we can set the spacebar, swipe, language key, or both of them, and I will pick this option in order to show you. So let's get back to the keyboard, and as you can see, we've got actually one difference here. We've got this globe icon which will allow us, it is a mentioned language key, so it will allow us to change the language. So right now I am typing English freely, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the I did not remember actually, probably it was Armenian, and after tapping again we can switch to the English one. So let's check the other switching method. Let's swipe on the spacebar, and as you can see it works perfectly fine. So this is it, this is how to add the language to the keyboard. Now let me show you how to remove it. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages and types, and here we can reorder, as you can see, but in order to remove it we have to manage input languages and just turn off this one which we would like to disable. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only the English left, and after showing the keyboard you can see that we do not have the globe icon, so it means that we cannot switch the languages. So actually this is it, this is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching, I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.